unlock the phone. Here we have two games, Subway Surfer in both of them and Angry Bird 2. Let's hit them together. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case, but to be confirmed, I'm gonna close this one. Let's see one more time. 1, 2 and 3. Identical, but still I think iPhone 17 Pro Max is the winner. Close this one and we'll tap to play same time. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Performance wise, visibility, almost they look the same in the skin, but iPhone 17 Pro Max I see more clear. Continue. Some ads. So this game I will close. Now we're gonna open Angry Bird in both of them. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. I don't know which one was the faster, but it still is loading. We see loading time, loading performance. They're connected to the same Wi-Fi. This one is downloading 50%, almost there. This is far behind. So normally I don't play this game. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. We are almost there. This hung at some place. They're close to the same internet, so even the internet is better in iPhone 17 Pro Max than compared to iPhone 16. First app we're gonna open is YouTube Music. Let's see, here we go, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max open faster YouTube. They are connected with the same Wi-Fi, with the same account, everything. To be confirmed, we can close all here. So we'll check one more time. 1, 2 and 3. It's almost there, but I feel iPhone 17 Pro Max has a little edge in this case. So I'm gonna close this one too. Now we'll go to YouTube. Here we go. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in this case appear some ads. I dismiss this one. Similar type of video. So in this case I'm not sure, so I'm gonna do that. I will close both of them and I will try again. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max load faster YouTube. Now we can open 4K video in both of them. Let's see. So both of them, you see 4K is loaded there already. So I'm gonna use the second one in this case. I hit here 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can see load faster. This one is still something is going on. Is not loading. You see, still is loading. iPhone 17 Pro Max, we could say, is a winner in this case. This phone is lagging a little bit, but whatever. After that, we can open camera app 1, 2 and 3. I think both of them at the same time. Obviously they are over, the camera is blocked so you can't see anything. I close again 1, 2 and 3. I think they're identical in this case. Difficult to say, but they are the same. In case of discussion, you can say they are the same in this case. So I put them off here. After that, we can open Apple TV. Both of them connected with the same Apple account. In this case, let's see, I can hit here 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max load faster Apple TV. This phone is struggling a little bit. Let's see guys, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 16 Pro Max load faster here, few seconds before. One more time, 1, 2 and 3. Identical. So you can say iPhone 16 Pro Max has age in this case. Old phone 8GB of RAM, this is 12GB of RAM. Okay, now we can hit some TV show to open. See, we can open. How much time it takes? Here we go, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is faster in this case. We can go back and we can try another TV show. If we go more down here, let's see, documentary. If I click, this is loading faster. You can see this is taking time, little bit slow. Same Wi-Fi, same connection, everything is same. Let's check which one can open faster. Here we go, 1, 2 and 3. This one is there, it started. This one is waiting to hit the button. If we hit, after that is loading. So there's something different in this. It takes also time much, you see here. So also the Wi-Fi of this one has a better Wi-Fi. This one is loading now. So iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case. Next we can open Netflix in this to see. Here we go, we have Netflix here. Netflix here as well. If I click here, it will open more. So we can open same Netflix account. Everything is same. Here we go, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. This one is struggling still. They have same application, everything. Perhaps the Wi-Fi of this one is not that powerful. Okay, I go to my account here. This one, iPhone 17 Pro Max, is the winner. This one is still loading the things. 1, 2 and 3. This one is little bit faster. Resume button.
What are you, 5?
In this case, almost the same, identical. Okay. Close this one. Now we can open some other application. Here we go. I have some investment application. This is trading 212. Here we go, 1, 2 and 3. Almost the same. They need face ID, so I put here my face ID. Doesn't find connection. This one already is connected. So iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case. Next application we're gonna open here, Facebook. In both of them, let's see, 1, 2 and 3. This one is loaded, everything. Lovely. This one is still waiting. So iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case. I close this one. Next application, my security camera, that is Tapo. Keep link from Tapo, 1, 2 and 3. This one, iPhone 16 Pro Max, this time loads little bit faster than iPhone 17 Pro Max. We'll try one more time. Let's see, 1, 2 and 3. Identical, but we can give the benefit of doubt to iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not bad, not bad. Close this one. What else we can open? We have some McDonald's app here. McDonald's is Spain in this case. So I hit this one, 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. it started before, but it still is loading. So this is fine here. Close this one as well. We have Amazon app we can open to see. Here we go. 1 2 1 3. iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner in this case in Amazon app as well. So guys, overall performance, no matter which app I have opened, iPhone 17 Pro Max is a better performance than iPhone 16 Pro Max, although iPhone 16 Pro Max could open some of the apps before iPhone 17. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.